I recently found this beautiful fairy ball gown at a thrift store, and it just really caught my eye. Every time I walked by it, I was like, hey, I kind of want to try that on. So now it's home, and then I thought this would be a great fairy ball gown, and I've been wanting to make some fairy wings for a long time, so this would be perfect. I love a good Luna moth, so I sketched out a base shape on this butcher paper I have. I also found some fabric in my stash that's this nice teal color that I will sew to the framework. I got some fencing wire I had when I made some chainmail a few years ago, just molded it to the shape of the sketch, got the general shape, snipped it, and then adjusted the shape to fit better once it was in a more manageable size. I cut out the pattern paper, then laid it out on the teal fabric, leaving a good inch or two of leeway so I can stitch it around the frame. I folded the fabric in half so that when I laid the pattern piece out, I only needed to cut once, and then I could have two pieces that were mirrored. Once cut out, I wrapped each wing frame in florist tape to help prevent it from bending too much, and also so the fabric would have something a bit more grippy to fold against when I hand sew it, and also to kind of smooth over any pointy bits. After that, I laid the frame on top of the fabric and began the long process of hand sewing them together, folding over the fabric and just stitched it on. I used weights along the way to help stabilize the wire. Now come the purple details that Luna moths have. I recently got a big bag of purple ribbon from a thrift store, and this shimmery metallic one felt good. I cut out pieces that fit over the top of the upper wings and the bottom of the lower wings, secured them with pins, and then hand sewed it on with some similar colored thread. Next was to attach each wing to each other so they function as wings. I wrapped them together with some more florist wire and then wrapped it all in another purplish ribbon. I bent the wire tails into a square U shape to have some support on my back, which I could then slip into a corset to attach if I wanted to wear it that way. I wanted another option as well, since this dress wasn't really a corset. So I went through my art room and found some clear plastic straps that I had harvested from something a while ago, and they worked perfectly. Time to try it on! I love it! It works, it fits, it's bouncy, it's fun, and because I can gently bend and adjust the wings, I can pose them in different positions if I felt like it. So I made this specifically because I wanted to be a little fairy princess for my 28th birthday. I got all dressed up as Forest Fae and danced around in a local nature trail. It was super magical and lovely. I would definitely recommend it. There were these docks and boardwalks, pond, saw some frogs and some turtles. It was really fun. Thanks for watching!